There's already a number in the top. Middle.
Middle, I mean, above the line.
Okay. Very good. 250,000 and 450,000. Armando, where are we going to put that? Dollar account?
Yes.
What are the dollars I need to write down?
250,000.
Okay. And? 450,000. Okay, awesome. Isn't that pretty exciting? Okay, next. What about those percents? Work in process December 31st. Megan? Okay. Katie? 5,700 units?
It goes under units and it's on the right side.
Yes. Also known as which side?
Credit.
Very good. Very good. ECTA. Are we missing a number in the units T account? Yes. Which one? Ending inventory. Beautiful. Holden, have you already calculated that for us? Where's your calculator? Same place it was last class period?
Yeah.
And maybe the class period before that as well?
I think I had it.
You think you had it then? Okay, where's it now?
Last class.
Don't confuse me. So you don't have your calculator? No. And she's not willing to share? You just let him see the answer? 8,000. And what process did she use to do that? She whispered the correct answer to you. Sock and shoe. Yeah. It's okay. It's okay. It has, hasn't it? It's been a really long week. Oof. Okay, now, we've got all the information down, don't we? And we are missing some clear pieces of information. What are we missing? We're missing that, and we're missing that, aren't we? And guess what? What do you think we're going to try and solve for? Those two numbers. Okay? That's what we're going to solve for. Okay. Now, and not all problems will do this, but this particular problem tells us materials are added at the beginning of the process, which is redundant because that's where the 100% comes from. And then it says round unit cost to 4 decimal places. So when you're doing your calculations in your calculators, round to 4 decimal places. Okay. And the problems don't always say that, but this one does. Nick, how are we going to go about calculating equivalent units? How did we do that before? Equivalent units. And which T account are we doing this for? In. Because you were now I know why you said it. You confused me just a little, just for a second, because you said direct materials account. Yeah, you were reading this. Which T account are we going to be doing it in, if you will? Work in process. Very good. Okay. Very good. So just wanted to make sure that was clear, because that kind of took me a little bit by surprise. Give me a number. Tyson, you got a number for me for out, maybe? $57,000 it is. Okay, awesome. See how easy this is? This is so easy. Tony, another number, please. How about ending inventory for direct materials? 8,000. You know how to do this one now. Did you have to use a calculator? 2 thumbs up. 2 thumbs up. Okay. Brittany, conversion cost for direct materials. That was not a logical sentence. Conversion cost for ending inventory.
Is it 4,000?
Yes. 4,000. How'd you calculate that? Yep. So that equals 50% times 8,000. Okay. And now we can add these up. 61,000. And 65,000, right? There we have it. So this, so far so good. We've just repeated what we did last class, our last problem. And so this gives us an opportunity to, yes, sir.
Why do we use the 40%?
Yeah. He's asking why. What about this stuff? We need that for FIFO, for the FIFO method, which you don't have to know how to do. Okay? So we will only use this information in all of our calculations. Good question. Usually gets asked before now. Okay? Now we've got to do another step, obviously. And so here we're going to do cost to account for, and they're going to be in the same column. Here we've got weighted average method, cost to account for, and then we're going to calculate for beginning inventory plus in equals total. Okay, beginning inventory plus in equals total, and we're going to calculate these for both direct materials and conversion costs, which is why we kept the numbers separate in this T account. Okay, so costs will always have this dollar sign in front. So Tyler, what's the cost of beginning inventory for direct materials?
20,000.
Say again?
20,000.
You said 20,000 what? Thank you, sir. $20,000. Beginning inventory conversion cost, Kylie?
$16,000.
$16,000.